Hello everyone. This will be our 18th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to talk about the future of the multi-agent system with AI. We've seen how its implementation optimizes asset management, operational efficiency, and decision-making. But I'd like to understand what the roadmap for innovation and expansion of this solution is in the long term. How can we continue to evolve this technology to maximize its impact and ensure it remains at the forefront of the industry?
This is an excellent question. The advantage of this system is that it is not a static solution, but is designed to adapt and evolve with the company's needs and technological advances. In our innovation and expansion roadmap, we contemplate three major areas of development: improvements in the system's intelligence, expansion to new areas, and greater autonomy in decision-making. We also consider the interconnection with other systems to enhance its analysis and response capacity.
That sounds very interesting. Let's take it one step at a time. What are the improvements being considered in the intelligence of the system?
One of the main advances we are exploring is the improvement of machine learning and predictive analytics models. Currently, the system already allows anomaly detection and failure prediction, but in future versions, it will be able to self-adjust its algorithms based on new trends and patterns, without the need for human intervention. This means that the system will be able to learn and optimize itself in real time, increasing its decision-making accuracy. In addition, we are exploring the application of advanced neural networks and reinforcement learning to improve the system's autonomous decision-making. This will allow it to learn not only from historical data, but also from real-time feedback, continuously optimizing its performance.
That would give us an even faster and more efficient response capability. What about expanding the system to new areas?
There is a lot of potential here. Currently, the system is optimized for asset and operations management, but in the future, it can be expanded to areas such as advanced financial management, incorporating more financial analysis and strategic planning models. Human resources. Applying AI for shift optimization, performance evaluation, and talent retention. Supply chain. Demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and real-time supplier management. Cybersecurity and compliance. Risk monitoring and automated audits to ensure regulatory compliance. Customer service. Incorporating chatbots and AI systems to answer queries and resolve issues efficiently. With this expansion, the multi-agent system will not only optimize the technical operation, but will also become a comprehensive business management tool with direct impact on organizational strategy.
I see that the idea is to transform this system into a platform that covers all critical areas of the company, ensuring global optimization and better adaptability to market changes.
Exactly. And the third major point on the roadmap is the evolution towards greater autonomy in decision-making. In the early stages, the system offers data-driven recommendations, but in the future, it will be able to make certain decisions in an automated way, for example, maintenance rescheduling without human intervention. Dynamic negotiation with suppliers based on real-time data. Automatic adjustments in the production and distribution of resources. Optimization of energy consumption according to operational demand. This will allow the system not only to detect problems and suggest solutions, but also to act in real time to optimize the operation without waiting.
That would take us to a whole new level of efficiency. How would this increase in autonomy be managed to ensure that it remains aligned with the company's objectives?
The key will be to implement hybrid models of human supervision. At each stage of the roadmap, there will be progressive levels of automation, where it will be possible to define which decisions are fully delegated to AI and which require human validation. In this way, the company can adapt the degree of autonomy of the system according to its level of confidence in the technology.
That seems to me to be a smart strategy. It allows us to evolve with the system without losing control over strategic aspects.
Exactly. In addition, this hybrid approach allows the human team to focus on strategic decision-making, while the system takes care of the operational and repetitive tasks. Over time, as the technology proves its reliability, the levels of autonomy can be expanded.
Okay, and in terms of technological expansion, what other advances could we expect?
The roadmap also contemplates integration with new emerging technologies, such as blockchain, to increase data security and traceability. Digital twins, real-time simulations of assets and processes to improve decision-making. 5G and advanced IoT, for improved connectivity and real-time data collection. Generative AI, for more advanced analytics and predictive simulations. Quantum computing, to solve complex problems with unprecedented speed. All this will make the system increasingly sophisticated, with enhanced capabilities to adapt to any future need.
Awesome. This is the opportunity we have to be in tune with the technologies and their advances to be more efficient within the company. Can you give me the contact of someone to continue advancing in this process for our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.